Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change a Dodge Challenger headlight bulb. First, let's prepare safely. You'll need a few basic tools, such as a Phillips head screwdriver and a trim removal tool. Always make sure your vehicle is turned off and the engine has cooled down completely. For an extra layer of safety, it's a good practice to disconnect the negative terminal of your car's battery before you begin any electrical work. This prevents accidental shorts. Now let's get to the headlight itself. You'll likely need to access it from behind the fender liner. Start by removing the plastic clips and a few screws that secure the liner. A trim removal tool can be very helpful here. Once those are out, gently pull back the fender liner to create enough space. You should then see the back of the headlight assembly, where the bulb is housed, often behind a small access cover. With access gained, replacing the bulb is the next step. Carefully twist the old bulb counterclockwise to unlock it from its housing. Then, gently disconnect the electrical connector by pressing the tab and pulling it off. When inserting your new bulb, avoid touching the glass with your bare hands, as oils can reduce its lifespan. Align the tabs, push it in, and twist clockwise to secure it firmly in place. Finally, let's put everything back together and test your work. Reconnect the electrical connector to your new bulb, ensuring it clicks into place. Carefully push the fender liner back into its original position and secure it with all the clips and screws you removed earlier. Once everything is reassembled, reconnect the negative battery terminal. Turn on your headlights to confirm the new bulb is working correctly. Great job!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.